Hi everyone, this is Alex and today I'm going to show you how to provision an NFVI infrastructure in OpenStack. Let's go to the Horizon portal, and from our network topology we should see that we don't have anything at the moment. So what I have here is basically a CFN template. It's written on JSON and I am going to run it from heat. It has all the definitions for the networks, the subnets, the instances, and the ports that are going to be allocated. In this case, I have preloaded into Glance three different kinds of VNF. We have some firewalls here, we have some load balancers, and some web application servers as well. Right, let's call our heat stack create command. Let's pass the name of our template, and I am going to call our stack VNF, as in virtual network function. Okay, now the creation is in progress. We should start seeing some networks coming in quite soon, and some instances as well that are going to be attached to these particular networks. Now in the middle we have the first firewall coming in. It's very easy to identify because it's the only one with three interfaces connected to the DMC and two of the other VLANs. We have another firewall coming on the left. We can see at the bottom the network segments that we are using for each of the VLANs, and if we stand on each of the instances, basically we can see the roles. This is the firewall, we have the load balancer, and the web application servers here. Right, it's actually easier if we go to a normal view. Okay, from here we should actually see the IP addresses that are being allocated to each of the ports, okay, depending on the VLAN that they are attached to. And if we take a look at the resource allocation, basically we should be able to see that we are using 14 CPUs and 40 instances in this particular template. Right. One of the interesting things that we can do with heat is something that we call autoscaling. Basically, Celometer will help us to monitor the load in the instance, and once we hit certain CPU threshold, basically heat will kick in and we provision additional web servers to distribute the load. We can see from Birch that we are running 14 instances at the moment. Our whole virtual infrastructure was provisioned completely. And what I'm doing now is basically running a Birch stack delete, and we will see how the instances start to get terminated, and the networks will get destroyed as well. Okay, at this moment I am using the Heat CLI basically to provision the infrastructure, but nothing stops you from using any cloud management portal that you have, either being CloudForms or something else of your choice, basically to just make use of the Heat API, call our template, and run the workflow from there. Thank you for watching.